Hey, I'm very excited to share with you this website that you can earn a lot of money just by listening music. If you're just going to listen one song from this website, that means you're just going to get $5. And if it's two songs, that means that you're just going to make more than $10. And if you're going to listen more than 20 songs on this platform, you're just going to get more than $100. The more songs you listen from this platform, the more money you're just going to earn from this platform. This is a very easy and very simple. And we always listen music as a entertainment, as a refreshment, but in this video I'm going to show you how can we turn this into a money making method. But also I will show you the proof on how much people are making on this platform. This is something very serious and you have to start right now. Let's go and see how this works. So this is what you have to do. You have to go to pixabay.com, and on the top of this website you will see the searching box. You can search the name of the artist that you want and any song that you want to listen depending on your mood. And not just listening, this website is also giving you the opportunity to download different songs from this website, and all of this is totally free. You can download and you can listen any song that you want from this website just for free. Alright, so I'm going to show you the easiest way on how you can start earning on a daily basis, but before going further, I want to show you this proof on how much people are really making on this platform. And the good thing about this platform is that you can start making this kind of money wherever you are, and you really don't need to have an experience. You can start making this money. All you need to have is a smartphone or laptop and you can start making this money. Just imagine that you're just going to listen more than 20 songs from this website. You're just going to make more than $100 in a single day. This is a decent amount of money. And if you keep doing this, you're just going to make more than $3,000 in 1 month. This is a lot of money. So listen to me very careful and let's see next step after going to this website, which is called pixabay.com. And let's see what is our next step. Hey friends, welcome to the channel. My name is Hans David. I talk about side hustles and how to make money online. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Alright, so on this page you will find a lot of songs as you can see on the screen there, but for you to make a decent amount of money, you're going to have to do the following. First of all, you have to notice the type of music that are available on this platform. As you can see there is a happy music, vlog music, beats music, sad music, and many more. So you have to come down here and place play button on this song, and you have to listen to this song until the end, and you have to discover if you like this song and if you think other people are going to like this song that you have chosen. So if you like this song, you can move to the next step, but if you actually didn't like this song, you have to go ahead and play another song until you find another song that you think is beautiful. So you have to choose a beautiful song that you think everybody is going to like and everybody can listen over and over again. In this video, we're just going to choose pop music because a lot of people, they love pop music. So this will be easy for you to make a lot of money. So you have to place here, click button, and you have to start listening to this pop music. And right now, I think we have found good pop music. So our next step is click on the download and keep listening and download at least 5 or 10 songs. Right after listening to these pop music songs, and if you find them good and if you find them more beautiful, you can start downloading one by one. It's up to you. You can download 5 songs, you can download 10 songs. The more songs you're listening and the more songs you're downloading, it's the more money just going to earn on this platform. So I'm going to show you what are you going to do just after downloading these songs, and this is where you're just going to get paid all the money that you wish to have. So right after listening and downloading your songs, you need to come to this website, which is called updashforever.com. This is a free website which is going to pay us for sharing our music files, and thousands of people, they are just coming to this website to find music like this. And you have to do the following. The first step, you need to sign up to this website. It only takes a few minutes to join to this website, and right after joining to this website, you have to click here, make money, to see how it works and how much will you be making on this platform. And this is very easy, and this is how this website works. How are you going to get paid on this platform? There are 2 ways for you to earn money on this platform. First of all, we're just going to get money from this website. This website is going to place different advertisements on any music that you have uploaded on this website. So different advertisements can be found on your music that you have uploaded on this platform. Always remember, the music that I'm talking about that you have uploaded on this website is the music that you previously downloaded from Pixabay website and you come to upload it on this website for free, and we're just going to earn money just by uploading this music on this website, because millions of people just coming on this website to listen to different music. So this website is going to place ads on a different music that is uploaded on this website. The other way for you to earn money is for you to sell your music. Let's say that you have uploaded this music on this platform. You're going to have a chance to choose or to rate how much you want to sell your music. It can be $3 per one song. It can be $7 per one song. It just depends on how much you want to sell and where do these people come from, who they want to buy your music. Because let's say that people from America and Canada, they're just going to buy for more than $7 per one song. And people from Saudi Arabia, they are just going to buy your music for only $3 or $1. So it just depends on your audience, where do they come from to buy your music. And let's say that you're just going to sell for people from America, because a lot of users on this platform, they come from America. So it's very easy for you to make like a lot of money. Let's say that you sell more than 10 songs, you're just going to get more than $70. It's a lot of money, and you can start making this kind of money just by doing a very simple task. The only thing that you have to do, you have to go to this website, pixabay.com. You have to choose any music that you think is good music. You have to listen carefully. You have to upload this music to this website, and after uploading your music to this website, you are just going to sell this music, and you can get a lot of money just by doing that. And this is like the best way for you to earn money, because you really don't have to do anything other than downloading and uploading this music, and at the end of the time, you are just going to get a lot of money. Many people are just making a lot of money, and I'm going to show you this dashboard, which is live dashboard, and you can see a lot of people are just making money. This is September, and this is how much people are making on this platform. How do you get your payment after people starting to buy your music? It's very easy, because on this website there are different payment methods. As you can see there, you can get paid through PayPal, Payeer, and you can get paid through WebMoney. There are a lot of payment methods, as you can see on the screen there, so it's up to you. Which one do you think is good for you, and which one do you think is available for you? Because not every payment method that you see on the screen there is available in any country. So you have to be careful to choose and to make sure that you really receive this money. But I want to encourage, and I want to tell you one thing about this. Is very simple, because just imagine, I've seen people they're making more than $1,000. I've seen people they're making more than $800 just by downloading and uploading songs on this platform, and they can get decent amount of money. So you have to start now. You really don't have to say that I'm going to start this next week, I'm going to start this next month, or it's really hard, I cannot do this. All you need to have is mobile phone or laptop. You can do anywhere in the world. This platform is available in every places around the world. So you can start making money right now, and you really don't have to find excuses that you really cannot make money out of this. I encourage you, you can make a lot of money, and you can start it right now. Thanks so much for watching my video. My name is Hans David, and if you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll be happy, and don't forget to like my video. It will help me so much. Thanks so much, and I hope